build yourself. No one is going to care for you if you don't care for yourself. You are alone sometimes, but it's short-lived because Allah is with you. Allah knows you personally. He knows your name. Maybe I don't know your name. Allah knows your name. And Allah knows exactly your problems, who you are, what you are going through. He will help you. So, with the world you might be alone. With Allah you are not alone. As you grow older, do you think a person next door who has a job is going to tell you, sister, since you don't have a job and I have a job, let's share half of my salary? Can they do that? Never. They are on their own, you are on your own. Even though you are the neighbor, they will know you are going hungry. Sometimes they might not offer you anything. So remember, work hard. If you don't care for yourself, nobody is going to care for you. Don't feel self-pity. Get up. Allah bless you with your hands, your legs.